Have you ever stumbled upon a secret that could change the world? Well, in a little corner of Portugal, three kids did just that. Welcome to the story of Fatima, a tale that turns a tiny town into a global legend. Once upon a time, Fatima was just a speck on the map, a place where life danced to the slow rhythm of nature. But in 1917 was no ordinary year for this sleepy village. It was the year when the ordinary met the extraordinary. Picture this, three shepherd kids, Lucia, Francisco and Jacinta, were out in the fields of Covo the area doing what kids in a farming village do. That's when the unbelievable happened. They saw a vision, a lady glowing brighter than the sun, right there quiet in the meadow. This wasn't just any lady, she spoke of peace, hope, gave them a glimpse into the future. Can you imagine simple shepherd kids chosen for a message so big it would echo across the world? News traveled fast, and before they knew it, Fatima was buzzing with excitement. People from far and wide started pouring in, all eager to witness a piece of divine mystery. From then on, Fatima was no longer just a village in Portugal. It became a symbol of faith, a place where heavens seemed just a touch closer to earth. In the sacred embrace of Fatima, a profound act of faith unfolds. Pilgrims united in a journey of devotion advance towards the revered chapel of the apparitions, each step a testament to their deep spiritual commitment. In this moment, personal vows and silent prayers blend into a collective expression of unwavering faith. Here at Fatima, each kneeled step is a powerful symbol of devotion, resonating with the heartbeats of the faithful. We are now in a special part of the sanctuary where candles light up the area. People are here lighting candles, each one with their own story and prayer. There are paths that lead the pilgrims through this peaceful place. Everyone walks carefully with a purpose in their steps. We follow a woman on her walk. She holds a candle ready to light it, carrying a silent prayer in her heart. Here's a man lighting his candle. This simple act means so much here. It's about hope, remembering, and seeking peace. As we look at this burning candle, we feel the quiet strength of faith here. Each flame is a small, bright symbol of hope and prayer, bringing everyone together in Fatima. This is the chapel of apparitions in Fatima, where something special happened over a century ago. It's a quiet, important place where many come to pray and remember. The chapel is simple, but it's very special to people here. It's a place where history and faith meet. This humble chapel, a beacon of hope, continues to draw hearts together in a shared journey of faith. Welcome to the Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary, Fatima's architectural masterpiece, erected to commemorate the 1917 apparitions. Its neoclassical facade stands as a beacon of hope and faith. The Basilica, sanctuary for countless souls, embodies a legacy of miracles and hope, standing as a majestic symbol of enduring faith and divine grace. The basilica houses 15 altars, corresponding to the 15 mysteries of the Rosary. Each altar is uniquely designed and often adorned with art that depicts various scenes from the life of the Virgin Mary and events from the Bible. Inside the basilica are the tombs of the three shepherd children, Francisco, Jacinta, and Lucia. Francisco and Jacinta, who were canonized as saints, have their tombs prominently placed. They are sites of veneration for pilgrims. The overall lighting inside the basilica is often subdued, creating a peaceful and contemplative environment. Around us, people pray with deep personal devotion, each in their own world of reflection and connection. From the main gate, a steady stream of faith and life flows towards the altar, a journey of hope and seeking. I sit absorbed in the ambience, a witness to the profound peace that this sacred place offers to all, regardless of faith. As I step outside, a sense of calm stays with me, a testament to the sanctuary's power to touch heart, transcending boundaries of faith and creed. Let's explore a fascinating chapter of Fatima's past, the story behind its name, a narrative steeped in history and transformation. Long ago, a Moorish princess named Fatima was captured by a Portuguese knight. In a profound turn of events, she fell in love with him, converted to Christianity, and was baptized Oriana. Despite her Christian identity, it's her original Muslim name Fatima that endures in history. This sanctuary, a symbol of faith for many, intriguingly recalls her Arab heritage, not her Christian baptismal name. Today, Fatima stands as a testament to this complex tapestry of history where love, faith, and culture intertwine. A place that, despite its Christian significance, carries a name that echoes its multicultural origins.
Ave Maria, cheia de graça, o Senhor é convosco. Bendita sois vós entre as mulheres, e bendito é o fruto do vosso ventre, Jesus.
Santa Maria, Mãe de Deus, rogai por nós, pecadores, agora e na hora da nossa morte. Amém.
Ave Maria, cheia de graça, o Senhor é convosco. Bendita sois vós entre as mulheres, e bendito é o fruto do vosso ventre, Jesus.
Santa Maria, Mãe de Deus, rogai por nós, pecadores.
The children's tale of visions and secrets turned this hidden gem into a magnet for millions seeking hope and miracles. So there you have it, Fatima's story, where a small town's fate was rewritten by the innocence of children and the power of belief. It's a reminder that sometimes the most incredible stories begin in the most unexpected places.